Which one is used to brush teeth? Toothbrush cleans teeth. Which one is used to see far? Telescope sees far. Which one is used to cut paper? Scissors cut paper. Which one is used to tell time? Clock shows time. Which one is used to open a door? He opens door. Which one is used to clean floor? Broom cleans floor. Which one is used to wash clothes? Soap cleans clothes. Which one is used to sit? Chair is for sitting. Which one is used to eat soup? Spoon for soup. Which one is used to sleep? Bed for sleep. Which one is used to lock a door? Lock secures door. Which one is used to see yourself? Mirror shows face. Which one is used to carry books? Bag carries books. Which one is used to turn on the light? Switch turns on light. Which one is used to call someone? Phone makes calls. Which one is used to open a bottle? Opener opens bottle. Which one is used to write on paper? Pen writes on paper. Which one is used to see the time at night? Torch shows time. Which one is used to hear music? Headphones play music. Which one is used to carry water? Bottle carries water. Which one is used to take photos? Camera takes photos. Which one is used to cut nails? Nail cutter trims nails. Which one is used to carry groceries? Basket carries items. Which one is used to check your temperature? Thermometer checks temperature. Which one is worn on eyes to protect from sun? Sunglasses protect eyes. Which one is used to unlock a phone? Password unlocks phone. Which one is used to erase pencil writing? Eraser removes marks. Which one is used to blow air? Fan gives cool air. Which one is used to play music loudly? Speaker plays loud. Which one is used to check weight? Weighing scale checks weight. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes.